What I like about the Holmes oscillating fan is that it's very simple. We have 4 buttons on the front here, 0 for off, 1, 2, and 3 for the different speeds. On the back here, we have the oscillating button. You just push down to let it oscillate, pull up 2 clicks, and then it will stop oscillating and it will stay in place. And then we have a height mechanism right here. You can go up and down with it, just like that. And so in today's video, I'm also going to show you its wind speed using this anemometer. I'm going to show you how loud it is using this sound decibel meter. And I'm also going to show you how much electricity it uses using a wattage meter. At its lowest setting, the Holmes fan uses 55.8 watts. At its highest setting, the Holmes fan uses roughly 70 watts. At its lowest setting, measured about 2 feet away, the Holmes fan pushes about 2.8 meters per second of air. At its highest setting, the Holmes fan moves about 3.8 meters per second of air. And at its lowest setting, the Holmes fan registers about 45 decibels. At its highest setting, the Holmes fan registers roughly 55 decibels. So this is a great value fan if you're looking for something that has a really wide spread of air, moves a lot of air, doesn't have to be too quiet, but it can also be simple, like you don't need a remote and you don't mind the push buttons. Overall, a great sturdy fan though.